We're all more health conscious now more than ever. So would you like to be able to make your own toothpaste without fluoride or any other harmful chemicals? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today is another do-it-yourself day. We are going to be making a homemade toothpaste. In this day and time, everybody is more health conscious than ever. This toothpaste is all natural, no chemicals, and there's a lot of controversy going on about fluoride, that it's a poison and has bad side effects. If you make this, you don't have to worry about that. Now it has 3 ingredients, and we can add a 4th, and I'll get into that in a little bit. First off, we're going to be using organic coconut oil. Nothing has ever been said bad about coconut oil. It has so many benefits in every step of life. For the toothpaste, it has lauric acid, which can kill harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses. It kills bacteria that causes a bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease. It is also good for oil pulling, and even though I'm not doing a video on that, I will explain what that is at the end of the video. The second ingredient is baking soda. It attacks plaque, so it prevents cavities and gum disease. It also fights bad breath by balancing acidic levels of residual food. It is a mild abrasive, so brushing more than 2 minutes can erode the enamel. And if you do want to use this daily, don't brush aggressively. Brush smart. The third ingredient is essential oil. The best essential oils to use for toothpaste are going to be cinnamon, spearmint, peppermint, or tea tree oil. Cinnamon, peppermint, spearmint, and tea tree oil are antimicrobial. They kill germs that cause pain, disease, and decay. Myrrh oil is also a good one to use. It is antimicrobial and may also soothe and heal gums by increasing blood flow to the tissue. Peppermint has a cooling and numbing element for toothaches. Cinnamon is an antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic. It's an effective cleaner. It protects against bacteria that causes tooth decay. Tea tree helps with bad breath, diminished plaque, relieves bleeding gums. You want to make sure that if you use the tea tree in your toothpaste that you must spit it out and rinse, because it should not be taken internally. I am going to be using peppermint. Peppermint is one of the most popular flavors in toothpaste. And the 4th ingredient is optional. A lot of the store-bought toothpaste are sweeter than what the homemade version is going to be. So if you like a sweetness to your toothpaste, you can add stevia. Make sure that it is pure stevia extract because that has no other added ingredients to it. Stevia is a natural sweetener that has 0 calories. So we're going to take a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. You can mix it without melting it, but it'll be a lot easier if you at least soften it a little bit more or melt it down to liquid. So I'm going to stick it in the microwave for just a few seconds to soften it up. Okay, it's not totally liquid, but it is a lot softer. And then you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Just dump that right in there. And then I'm going to take a popsicle stick and stir it up. Mix it all together till it's like a paste. And that looks pretty good right there. So then you're going to add 10 to 20 drops of your essential oil, whatever scent that you chose. Like I said, I'm going to use peppermint. I'm going to go ahead and split the difference and do 15. and stir that up so it's fully incorporated so the scent is all the way throughout. Then I have like a very small mason jar here. You want to make sure that you have a sealed container because the baking soda absorbs odors, so since it's going to be in the bathroom, you don't want those certain odors to get in your toothpaste. And just dump that in there. Your coconut oil will set up like it was before in a semi-solid state. If it gets too hard, you can go ahead and run it under warm water to melt it a little bit. If it gets too runny and you want a little bit more solid, you can pop it into the refrigerator or freezer for a little bit. And there you have it, your own toothpaste. If you decide to use the sweetener, which a lot of people will want to do, because I forgot to mention that with the baking soda, it may taste a little salty. This will help alleviate that saltiness. You just want to take a couple of pinches and add it to that and stir it in. Since it's in a jar, I'll show you how you use it. Take the lid off. I have a little wooden spoon here. And take a little bit. This will set up a little bit more after it sits for a while because we did melt it, so it won't be as runny. And then you just put it on your toothbrush. And then you brush your teeth. And that's all there is to it. It's very easy, it is natural, and safe for you. Now, I did tell you, I was going to tell you about the oil pulling using the coconut oil. Coconut oil is very beneficial to your oral mouth care. You would take a tablespoon of coconut oil, you put it in your mouth, you swish it around for 15 to 20 minutes, pushing and pulling it through your teeth, and you then will spit it out in the trash or the toilet. You don't want to spit it out in the sink because it can clog the sink pipes. Then you go ahead and brush your teeth as usual. This will help with getting all of the bad bacteria out and the plaque. So it will help prevent cavities, help with the gingivitis or preventing gingivitis. And you can also, if you want a little bit of extra help, then you can go ahead and put some oregano in your coconut oil to swish. Oregano is an antioxidant, and it is also boosts immune systems. So that is something else to think about when you're doing natural health care. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell to get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.